What's up everyone, it's Cheption Mutai here. Welcome back to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media tech, freelance AI, storytelling and business strategy. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to build a WordPress website using the free AI tools that are available online within a day. Stay tuned.
Cheption Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheption, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, hear the freedom ring.
If you're new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheption.com to learn more. Now let's get right into today's video. So what you see on the screen is my personal website, cheption.com. I built it using WordPress, wordpress.org. So when you scroll down on this website, you can see it has all the information about myself. It has my blog post, the posts that I've posted on my blog. It has links to other pages on the website, including social media here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website, a WordPress website like this one with the help of AI. So the first step in building a website with the help of AI is to identify the AI tool that you'll be using, that you'll be seeking help in order to build your website. So in this video, because in the past videos I've done, I have used Gemini from Google. Today I'll be getting help from Copilot. Copilot is a AI tool from Microsoft. So I come here, I open my AI tool on Microsoft browser, as you can see here. Then I choose GPT-5 or Think Deeper. So I think I'll think deeply and quickly based on the task. So I'll use GPT-5, and this is the AI tool that I'll be guiding you in order to build your website. So once you select the AI tool that you would like to build your website from, remember that in order to build a website, you need a domain name. As you can see here, this cheption.com is a domain name, so you need to purchase this one. Once you purchase a domain, you need hosting, and you can Google online. You can say website hosting, and you will get many website hosting depending on the country that you're in. Once you get your hosting, you need to install WordPress on your cPanel. So this is my cPanel. So these are my website. You can see I have installed WordPress on my website. You can see this WordPress icon here. So once you have installed WordPress for your website, you go to now your domain and have wp-admin. So when you go there, you can see this is WP admin. So you log in. So as you can see, this is my WordPress website dashboard. When you log in to this page, so come to appearance, and then click on themes. Themes are what builds your website. You use a theme to build your website. Make sure you activate 2025. This is a free theme, so you need to use this 2025 theme to build your website, and this is what I use to build this website of mine here. As you can see here, you can see there is contacts, there's subscribe and other things. Click on customize, and you can customize the theme to suit your needs. Now what is very important here, and that is why I've created this video, is the information that you are going to post on your website. How do you organize all this information in a way that when someone comes to your website, they are able to access all the information as they need? How do you organize all this information? And that is where the AI tool comes in. So you go to the AI tool that you've chosen, and you tell the AI tool, now I am building a website about myself. I want to be known as an expert in the field of freelance and business. I have been blogging from the year 2018, for example. I've been blogging. I need your help on how to design a website based on WordPress. And this is the first command that you'll use, and what transpires or what comes after this chat is very important, and the AI tool will guide you from here. So start with a clear personal brand. Your WordPress website should show you started highlight blogging. This is the suggestion of how your homepage will look like. Homepage tagline: freelance and business expert since 2018. Show intro, features, CTA, your story, step, branding, colors, content strategy, launch and promote. So you would like to sketch a suggested yes. So you will say yes, then see. So this is the beginning of your information on how you will design. So from here now, you'll be copying the information here, like helping freelancers and businesses grow with strategy, creativity and AI. So blogging since 2018, founder, TechTube Video Studio, call to action, read my blog, work with me, professional photo of your branded illustration. So this is how the AI will guide you in building a website. So your job now from here will be to build your website, and it's easy. So that is how to build your website with the help of AI. And that is it. I hope you found this video helpful. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below here. Also, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptionyi.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptionyi Mutai.
Cheptionyi Mutai, a legend in the making. Cheptionyi, where the future is breaking. Come and join the journey, don't you miss a thing. The world's at his feet, here the freedom.